All right, I have the Giraffe Tools pressure washer here with a 65-foot retractable hose. Pretty nice. Has like a faux carbon fiber front plate on it. Here is the on-off switch. It's on a steel base that can pivot 90 degrees, so it can go this way or that way. It's obviously laying on it right now. Here's the water inlet on the back side, or the bottom side rather. I said back side, but bottom. Here's it comes with a foam cannon, really nice. Also, about a 4-foot water line. Obviously, it connects to there. It connects to your water source. Has a filter on it. Brass fittings, nice seal. Also comes with a template for drilling with the hardware and mollies you need. Here is the 110 volt power cord, about 5, maybe 6 feet long. So you can get it close enough to your power supply. Also, here is the pressure washing gun or wand. Has about a 2-foot extending cord on here, or not cord, but you know, nozzle end. Also comes with some 4 different spray nozzle attachments that go onto the QD on the end here. These change the angle of the way the water comes out, and also the pressure at which they come out. If it's more focused, obviously it's a higher pressure. If it's a wider spray, it's less pressure. Let's get back to the gun itself. You can see here, this is looking at it from the top. Let me move it. Or from the front. That's looking at it from the front if it's mounted. From the top down, there you go. Side view. It has a cradle, like a holster, so you can actually put the pressure washing gun down into it when it's hung up. And these are actually real soft, so I say down into it, but it'll just like slide in here. And also the back here, there's an area to put the foam cannon. This has a pin here, spring-loaded pin, which is nice, on this metal base. So when you pick it up, you can actually pivot this 90 degrees. So it's 90 degrees to the base. And then, you know, depending on how you mount it. And then there's detents in it. You can see down in here for, let's see, how you want to have it locked in. And also it'll go 90 degrees this way. So 180 degrees from side to side. And then depending upon where you want it mounted. You're locked into that one. So that's like 45 degrees. And then back to the center. There's handles on the side of the case. The case is plastic. Handle on that side. I already showed you the bottom. Here is the cord, the water supply going to the gun. You basically, it goes into here like such, and then tighten her up. So yeah, all in all, nice setup. Mine came damaged, but that's a shipping problem. So yeah, I think it's good quality and I recommend it.
Turn the water on, that's not going to start. Just pull the trigger, start the machine. Turn it off. The machine carries on, goes out, hose expands again. Back pressure on the hose again. Turn the water off. Put the hose on, you see the back pressure releasing out of the hose. obviously from the whatever water's in the hose. Same thing again, only worse, it's leaking water this time, gushing out the inside of the machine.